What if you could showcase your skills with more than just a resume? Introducing free MongoDB skill badges, your ticket to standing out in today's competitive market. So what is a skill badge? It's a way to quickly learn and validate specific MongoDB skills. Each badge takes 60 to 90 minutes to complete and includes a 10-question assessment. Earning these skill badges demonstrates mastery of essential techniques for creating production-ready enterprise applications. To earn your badge, simply complete the content in the skill and then pass the short assessment at the end. But why should you earn one? Whether you're a customer, partner, student, or educator, a MongoDB skill badge is a valuable asset for advancing in your role. Because MongoDB skill badges are focused, they allow you to quickly gain and demonstrate skills that are directly applicable to your job or projects. On top of earning bragging rights, you'll receive digital proof of completion and a Credly badge, perfect for any professional setting. And there's more. Inclusion in the Credly talent directory makes you visible to recruiters from top employers and can open up new career opportunities. So why wait? Enhance your marketability and show the world what you can do with MongoDB skill badges. Get started today.